And then some parents and students in Illinois are celebrating after a Springfield judge granted that temporary restraining order against 145 school districts enforcing COVID-19 mitigations that we were just talking about. But the Pritzker administration has filed a notice for appeal of the court's ruling. And WGEM Capitol Bureau Chief Mike Militich is in Springfield tonight with the latest on that. Mike.
Mackenzie, good evening. Governor Pritzker said today that hundreds of people could be affected by COVID-19 outbreaks in schools that are now maskless. That's why he's asking for an appellate court here in Springfield to quickly overturn Friday night's ruling.
Judge Raylene Grishow's ruling is out of step with the vast majority of legal analysis in Illinois and across the nation. Most importantly, it constrains the ability of the named school districts to maintain safe in-person learning requirements.
Governor J.B. Pritzker is not holding back his criticism of the Sangamon County judge who shook up the state's COVID-19 requirements for some schools. The temporary restraining order covers districts from the Chicagoland area to northern Illinois and many schools in the heart of anti-mitigation downstate communities. Pritzker and other state leaders hope the 4th District Appellate Court will act swiftly to dissolve this order. Tom DeVore, representing hundreds of parents in the suit, fully expected this attempt to appeal. The downstate attorney has won 7 straight school cases.
So for him to suggest that it's out of step, he's trying to gaslight people and to do some kind of narcissistic mind bend on people because it's a complete and utter lie.
DeVore also notes the judge declared IDPH's COVID-19 emergency rules for schools void. He said there are now more than 200 school districts going mask optional and stopping the testing requirement for teachers and staff. But Pritzker emphasized schools not included as defendants in this lawsuit should continue to follow the state's mask testing and school exclusion protocols.
Listen, you ought to err on the side of protecting everybody in the school, and particularly all the people who interact with the school. That's the goal here. That was always the goal.
Now, DeVore also told me that state lawmakers should have taken action if they want some of Governor Pritzker's executive orders for schools to become law. He says their inaction speaks volumes. For now, reporting live in Springfield, Mike Militich, WGEM News.